Bonjour à toutes et à tous et bienvenue à Learn French with Likiza. J'espère que vous allez bien et vous êtes prêts à apprendre quelque chose de nouveau aujourd'hui. Our focus in this video is on the relative pronoun lequel, which translates to which in English. Lequel normally replaces an indirect object, and it is always preceded by a preposition. Please note that lequel will always refer to a thing and never people. The interesting thing about lequel is that it changes form so that it can agree in gender and number with the noun that it is replacing. And that is the reason why we have lequel for masculine singular, laquelle for feminine singular, lequel for masculine plural, and lequel for feminine plural. Let's see how this works in some sentence examples.
Ceci est le rapport dans lequel vous trouverez tous les détails du projet. This is the report in which you will find all the details of the project. In this example, lequel is replacing le rapport, the report, which is in masculine singular. And you can see that the relative pronoun lequel is preceded by the preposition dans, which means in. Hence, dans lequel translates to in which. J'ai posé l'assiette sur laquelle le gâteau serait servi sur la table. I put the plate on which the cake would be served on the table. In this example, laquelle is replacing l'assiette, the plate, which is in feminine singular, and the relative pronoun laquelle is preceded by the preposition sur, which means on. Hence, sur laquelle translates to on which. Le livre propose des outils nécessaires sans lesquels il est impossible de réussir. The book offers necessary tools without which it is impossible to succeed. In this example, lequel is replacing des outils, tools, which are in masculine plural, and the relative pronoun lequel is preceded by the preposition sans, which means without. Hence, sans lequel translates to without which. And finally, we have les pièces dans lesquelles les nouveaux meubles ont été installés sont magnifiques. The rooms which the new furniture was put in look amazing. In this example, lequel is replacing les pièces, the rooms, which are in feminine plural, and the relative pronoun lequel is preceded by the preposition dans, which means in. Hence, dans lequel translates to in which.
Lequel further changes form when it is preceded by the prepositions a and do. When lequel is preceded by the preposition a, here is what happens. In masculine singular, it becomes auquel. In feminine singular, it becomes a laquelle. In masculine plural, it becomes auquel. And in feminine plural, it becomes auquel. Subsequently, when lequel is preceded by the preposition do, in masculine singular, it becomes duquel. In feminine singular, it becomes de laquelle. In masculine plural, it becomes dequel. And in feminine plural, it becomes dequel. And I'm going to give you two sentence examples with each form in them so that you can see how it works.
Connaissez-vous les dates précises auxquelles la formation aura lieu? Do you know the specific dates on which the training will take place? In this example, auquel replaces les dates, the dates, which are in feminine plural, and auquel in this case translates to on which. Il fait référence au sondage à partir duquel l'étude a été menée. He is referring to the poll from which the study was conducted. In this example, duquel replaces au sondage, which means to the poll, which is in masculine singular, and duquel in this case translates to from which.
And this is how the French relative pronoun lequel works. If you enjoyed this lesson, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. You can also check out my pinned comment for the various ways in which you can support me and my work and on how to join a French class with me. À bientôt!